Hi there, and welcome back to Mind-Body Relationship, where we talk about the mind, the body, and the relationship. Hi, my name is Emerald Hill. This is Dr. Laurie Ponsford-Hill, and this is Taylor.
Hello.
Our guest chef.
Yes, welcome Taylor.
Thank you for having me here.
So how about if you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Okay, so I got interested in cooking at around like the age of 13. I ended up having surgery and I couldn't leave my bed for a while, and I would watch a lot of the cooking shows, and so I was really inspired to do that. Through that, I did a cooking class, like I was taking cooking classes in high school, and I got a job here at a fine dining restaurant, and that's where I really started to flourish for my cooking abilities. And so I really like to experiment with my food. I don't like to follow recipes per se. I really like making like pasta and stuff and just being able to like be free. It's kind of like a creative way for me to just de-stress, do whatever,
and express yourself.
Yeah, and express myself.
Yeah. Wow. So that brings together all the elements, right?
Yeah.
Of the mind, right? Processing, figuring things out creatively, right? And the body, nourishing the body.
Yes.
Food has a tendency to be love, right? And whatever it is that's healthy. And the relationship is actually really the expression of love, getting together, celebrating, eating together, that sort of thing. Yeah. So these are hors d'oeuvres, is that right?
Yes. So I've made these hors d'oeuvres so that they're easy to like have like handheld and to go wherever rather than like a sit down dinner. So I've made a mixed mushroom and provolone galette. So a galette is a free-formed tart. So instead of like actually having a shape, it turns out, and it's a little fun. I like it better than a regular tart. I think that's just me. Like I like the presentation of just having them all different.
They're
right?
all unique,
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it does look good. Wow.
And then I made some steak bites. I made a red wine reduction and with some chili pepper flakes. And then I made caprese skewers. I love Italian cooking. When I went to Italy, like that was the main thing that I wanted to try was a caprese pizza. So I've been kind of like obsessed with the caprese ever since. So,
oh wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
It looks like it goes from hardest to simplest.
Yeah. It just works out, but they're all so good.
They look good.
Exactly. Yeah. So for the viewers at home that maybe struggle in regards to putting together food, do you have any suggestions for them?
So I like to make things that are not going to be very difficult. Like, so really just using whatever you can and incorporate spices. Use your salt, use your pepper, and get a few spices that you love. One of my favorite spices is from like Costco. It's the red pepper and garlic one, and I went through the club size thing in like a year. I used it on like everything. It's really good. But once you find something that you really like, just do that. But start simple. You just go and don't try and follow recipes all the time. Just kind of go where your heart takes you.
You can make it a game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just when I was like at school, I would find like a can of chickpeas and some vegetables that are probably a little on the edge, and you make something and it turns out great.
Chickpeas always fix everything.
Yeah, chickpeas, lentils, whatever you have laying around, just. And I always think that like you can get the store-bought sauces for like tomato sauce and stuff, but try making your own. It's really simple. Just throw a can of tomatoes and some basil in a pot with some garlic, and you have a fresh one. Or like even if I have some cherry tomatoes, I just put them in a pan and they mush down for a bit.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
really
exciting.
And shop the sales. I like shopping the sales for
Oh
everything.
yes, yes, shopping the sales.
Yes.
Oh, fun.
That's the
Exactly,
funnest part.
exactly. Well, thank you, Taylor,
Thank
for
you
coming
so much.
and showing us your bounty, right? And the truth is that here at the Portside ART Institute, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing get-togethers and that sort of thing, right? So we're going to actually be having hors d'oeuvres very much like this, right? So yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, let's dig in.
Let's try.
In here.
That's true.
Oh wow, this looks so yummy.
Wow. It is good. Delicious all on its own. Should we try it with a little bit of
Yeah,
balsamic
let's do
just
that.
to see? Lovely.
I love a balsamic glaze.
Oh, yes. So, I mean, putting together food just like this is quite the artistic process, isn't it? Right?
It can be, yeah.
And the aroma is so fantastic. It is like aromatherapy.
God,
How is it with the balsamic glaze?
so good.
It adds a different dimension.
Steak bites.
Steak bites.
Steak bites. It's a happy little steak bite.
Is that?
With a little bite. That must be the chili. The chili
Yeah, the
flakes.
Yeah,
wine were-
in the wine reduction. See, all of this is like also new to me. Like I've never actually made like a steak bite with a red wine reduction. Like that is my first time
Wow.
doing that. That's my first time doing this mushroom galette. I just think of things sometimes and I'm like, this is how it would work out.
And here's our salad.
Yeah.
Yes, last but not least. Okay.
Yum.
Gotta get that balsamic
Salmon.
glaze on
Oh
it.
yes. So usually you just kind of take it all. Yeah.
Just one big bite. You have to make sure your mouth is closed with that one.
It's a light, refreshing taste.
Yeah.
It certainly is, very much so. And nutrition-wise, very nutritious.
Yeah.
All right. Well, perhaps we should have a toast. Right? This is a toast to your future endeavors, Taylor.
Thank
as
you.
well as ours.
Yes.
Yes. And hope to see you here soon.
Yes.
All right.
Who's gonna do the dishes?
Not me.
What? Bye for now.
At the grocery store that it's going bad today, get it. Make something with it today, tomorrow, the next day, as long as it's not molding and gross.